Welcome back. Third edition of Goa Arts and Literary Festival started on Thursday. While inaugurating the festival, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah said that though Goa is famous for its beaches and sand, the state has lot more potential to contribute in the field of art and culture. Third edition of Goa Arts and Literary Festival started on Thursday in Panji. The festival was inaugurated by Governor of Goa Bharat Virwanchu and Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah. Addressing the gathering, Bharat Virwanchu said that Goa has rich tradition of art and culture and that reflects not only in the books but in monuments and museums of Goa. He also said that we should conserve our culture, heritage and pass on the passion of arts, culture and literature to the children.
The original essence of our cultural values are getting diluted. We should not allow degeneration of our rich, diverse cultural heritage. It should be preserved as a wealth for future, and the younger generation needs to be aware of our cultural heritage. The consciousness of belonging to a great country with a rich cultural heritage needs to be instilled in their minds. It is my belief that art and culture can play a critical role in inspiring and influencing our children.
Speaking at the event, Jammu and Kashmir CM Omar Abdullah said that though Goa has been typecast as a place of beaches and carnival, Goa has much more potential to contribute in the field of art, literature and culture.
Yes, Goa has a carnival, yes, Goa has beaches, yes, Goa is a great place to come and let down your hair and have a nice time, but that's not what Goa is all about. There is so much more that Goa has given in the field of literature, in the field of art, and with its own unique culture.
Many eminent poets and authors from Goa, Jammu and Kashmir and other states are participating in this 5-day-long event. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Sushant Pal for Prudent. Suspended ANC Sub-Inspector Sunil Gudler has been granted bail in police drug nexus case. On Thursday, NDPS court in Mapsa granted him bail on surety of 1 lakh rupees. The then PSI was arrested by anti-narcotic cell 2 years back. Gudler was arrested after he was caught on camera allegedly exchanging drugs with Israeli drug dealer Dudu's sister Ayala and girlfriend Zarina.
The then PSI attached with the anti-narcotic cell of Goa police, Gudler was caught on a spy cam video showing him allegedly peddling drugs with 2 foreign women. Gudler was seen convincing the girls to purchase charas. After much hullabaloo, the department took actions against Gudler and suspended him. Gudler was said to be ANC SP Bansal's right-hand man, and the raid on Dudu at Anjuna was conducted under Bansal's supervision. Gudler has been granted bail on surety of 1 lakh rupees by the NDPS court in Mapsa. Bureau Report, Prudent.
First investigating officer P.I. Santosh Desai recorded his statement before special NIA court in Panji on Thursday in Madgaon bomb blast case. Desai in his statement explained the full picture of the scene of blast and detailed how he reached on the conclusion that Malgonda Patil and Yogesh Naik were actually accused and not victims. In 2009 Madgaon bomb blast case, first investigating officer P.I. Santosh Desai deposed before special NIA court in Panji on Thursday. In his statement, he explained that when he reached on the blast site, he saw that one blast had taken place and another bomb was kept on another bike. Due to the blast, Malgonda Patil and Yogesh Naik were badly injured and he sent them to the hospital. Bomb disposal squad defused the second bomb. During the cross-examination, defense lawyer asked that why he linked the matter to the Sanatan Sanstha. Desai said that explosive particles were found on clothes of Malgonda Patil and Yogesh Naik and the bike carrying the bomb belonged to them, so he concluded that both Patil and Naik were accused and not victims. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Margaon solid waste management plant developed by Fermento has finally commenced at Sonsoro. This will bring respite to the Margaon residents. Chairperson of Margaon Municipality, Arthur De Silva, informed that the plant will treat more than 40 to 50 tons of garbage. He also informed that a separate committee will be instituted to tackle the garbage issues from neighborhood parts of Margaon city.
आणि थोड्या दिसान आमी आता अनाउंस करतले प्लास्टिक बंद करपाक आणि थोडो एक म्हयनोभर टायमिंग दितले सगळे मार्केटकारांक कित्याक कोणाकडे प्लास्टिकाचो स्टॉक आसा तो काबार जावपाचो आनी रोखडोच सगळे पेपर बॅग्स स्टार्ट जातले ताका लागून एक थोडो टायम जाय पूण मे बी इन द 2013 जानेवारी फेब्रुवारी हें सगळें स्टार्ट जातलें आनी हें सगळें प्रॉब्लेम प्लास्टीक गोंयाचें सॉल्व जातलें आमगेलें.
After a long wait, the Sonsoda garbage treatment plant has finally commenced. It is basically designed to treat around 80 tons of garbage per day. The wet and dry garbage segregation will be done at the plant to treat the garbage. The backlog garbage will be cleared initially and then garbage will be taken up for treatment on regular basis.
आतां आमगेले मडगांव आनी फातोर्डाचेच म्हणटात सर आमकां रोखडेंच तेकून ह्या सायडीन नावेली आहा, ह्या सायडीन रोखडें आमगेले लोटली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आहा, ह्या सायडीन बाणावली आहा, अशें करून सरावंडींग मडगांव इज सरावंडेड बाय ऑल द कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. आनी समज तर चड कोणाक तशें प्रॉब्लेम जावन आमकां तर इफेक्ट जाता, समज मडगांवकारांक इफेक्ट जाता आनी फातोर्डकारांक, देन वील डिसायड आमी तेजे लागून सेपरेट कमिटी काडून डिसायड करतले. पूण पयलीं आमचे मडगांव फातोर्डाचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करून घेवनूच मागीर फुडें वयतले.
Fermenter took responsibility of this plant as their social responsibility. Number of efforts to run this plant had failed in the past. Even some NGOs tried to take up the task, but they failed. Fermenter's initiative succeeded. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.